In this video, we listed the 5 best treadmills for runners that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Horizon Fitness T202. The Horizon Fitness T202 treadmill is a black, portable, and foldable home workout solution designed for adults, featuring a robust aluminum construction and weighing 104.78 kilograms. With dimensions of 34-inch dx57, wx76h, it boasts a generous running area of 60 inches by 20 inches and can support users weighing up to 325 pounds. The T202 delivers exceptional performance, reaching a maximum speed of 20 km per hour and a 12% incline, making it a step up from the previous T101 model. Its innovative featherlight folding frame allows for easy storage, while built-in Bluetooth connectivity lets users stream workout classes or music through integrated speakers. Easy dial controls enable quick adjustments to speed and incline, and the treadmill features 3-zone variable response cushioning that provides optimal support for joint health and comfort during workouts. Number 2. Lifepro Small Walking Treadmill. The Lifepro Pacer Mini Pro Small Walking Pad is designed for those looking to integrate light exercise into their daily routines, particularly in home or office settings. Featuring a compact design with an adjustable handlebar for enhanced stability, this new treadmill accommodates small spaces, making it easy to use under a desk while ensuring a safe walking experience. It offers a maximum speed of 3 miles per hour and includes a 7-degree incline to boost calorie burning and overall workout intensity. With a weight of 46 pounds and made from sturdy stainless steel, it is portable and easy to store thanks to its foldable handle and built-in wheels. The adjustable speed settings, along with an intuitive display panel that tracks calories burned, speed, and distance, make it a versatile tool for adults aiming to stay active and motivated throughout the day. Number 3. XTERRA Folding Treadmill. The XTERRA treadmill is a new, durable fitness machine designed for adults, featuring a sleek black alloy steel construction and a robust 3.0 HP high-torque motor that enables a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour. With dimensions of 78.9-inch dx35, wx57.1h and a weight of 260.2 pounds, it offers a spacious 20-inch by 60-inch walking and running deck, ensuring comfort during workouts. The treadmill is equipped with a user-friendly 7.5-inch bright blue backlit LCD display that clearly presents essential workout metrics such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned. Designed for convenience, it includes a lift assist folding deck for easy storage and extra soft deck cushioning to reduce impact on joints. Additionally, handlebar-mounted speed and incline controls allow for effortless adjustments while exercising, making it suitable for walking, running, and indoor workouts. Number 4. NordicTrack T-Series 6.5S Treadmill. The NordicTrack treadmill is a high-performance fitness machine designed for running enthusiasts, featuring a sleek black color and constructed from durable alloy steel. With dimensions of 73.5 inches deep, 36 inches wide, and 54 inches high, this 203-pound treadmill can accommodate users weighing up to 300 pounds. It boasts a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour and includes an auto incline feature, allowing for a customizable workout experience. The treadmill comes with a 30-day iFit membership, which provides access to live and on-demand workouts led by elite trainers who can automatically adjust your speed and incline via Bluetooth. Additional features include a 3-horsepower smart response motor, a spacious 20-inch by 55-inch tread belt, joint-protecting flex-select deck cushioning, an innovative space-saver design with easy lift assist for convenient storage. It also offers entertainment options with dual speakers and an auxiliary music port, backed by comprehensive assurances including a 10-year frame warranty. Number 5. NordicTrack Commercial Series. The NordicTrack treadmill is a high-performance fitness machine designed for serious runners and walkers, featuring a sleek black alloy steel design and a robust construction weighing 275 pounds. It boasts a spacious 20-inch by 60-inch tread belt and a versatile speed range of up to 12 miles per hour, along with an incline capability of -3% to 12% that can be automatically adjusted in real time through the IFIT training program. The treadmill includes a 10-inch HD tilt and pivot touchscreen for streaming IFIT workouts, integrated speakers, and Bluetooth connectivity for enhanced audio experiences. Designed for convenience, it features a folding space-saver design for easy storage, supports a total weight capacity of 300 pounds, and includes dual auto-breeze fans that adjust based on workout intensity. With a 10-year frame warranty and various features aimed at heart rate training, this treadmill is ideal for adults seeking a comprehensive and interactive workout experience.